Hi everyone and welcome back to the Growing Cars Show. Today we're unboxing a real gem, the Hot Wheels VW T3 Custom in its striking blue and cream livery. This one is part of the HW Peak Pursuit series, collector number 200 out of 250 for 2025. Case P, scale 1/64. Let's dive into the details of this iconic van reimagined as a diecast racer. The VW T3 Custom comes with widened fenders, lowered stance, and racing graphics that make it stand out. Hot Wheels designers have turned the legendary Volkswagen van into a performance machine with side exhausts, bold stripes, and golden-ringed wheels that look fantastic on display. But what about the real deal? The Volkswagen T3, also known as the Vanagon or Transporter, was produced from 1979 to 1992. It was loved for its practicality, spacious interior, and reliability. Powered by engines ranging from 1.9 to 2.1 liters, it delivered between 60 and 112 horsepower. With a length of about 4.57 meters, the real T3 reached a top speed of around 145 km/h. Of course, it wasn't a race car. Acceleration from 0 to 100 km/h took nearly 18 seconds. But its versatility and character made it an icon of the 80s and 90s, especially among campers and surf enthusiasts. This diecast captures that adventurous spirit while giving it a motorsport twist. The cream upper body combined with blue lower panels and retro racing graphics pay homage to the T3's history while adding Hot Wheels flair. Whether you collect for nostalgia, racing fantasy, or pure love of diecast cars, this VW T3 Custom is a must-have in any collection.